Hey, right up front, Wade, right up front.
Kill it out front, kill it out front.
That's what we call a Jaws effect when you hit the water, you know?
2 down, 3 down.
Hand me a gun.
That's what it's all about, guys. Camaraderie, teamwork. Nice! All right, welcome to Kansas Day 2. Right now, we're heading out to the river. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the blind. We're really excited to be hunting with Neil. You're gonna get to see more of him today. Tell him about Chief.
Yeah, so Chief's 2 years old, almost 2 years old. He's out of SOK, Flint Hills. It's just an awesome dog. Used Cornerstone so far to get him trained up. So, you know, been a fun season this second year, so a lot of fun.
Looking forward to it. Let's see what we can do.
Let's get it.
Over the top, back working.
Kill him out front.
Here, back. Good boy. Good boy, Chief.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, that's great, isn't it?
Look at that.
Good. Good.
Dip. Good boy. Good job, buddy.
Kill him out front, boys. There you go.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. Seeing them work together like that.
Good boy, here.
Super flare.
We should probably kill him
Kill
right
him,
here.
kill him, kill him. There you go.
Just tuck this in a little bit here and get this super.
Hey, look at this flight of ducks right above.
Shoot him, up top.
Yeah, let's say we got a helicopter.
Hey!
Boom!
That's sky high right there.
Hey man, you throw enough at them. I think I got some sand in my action. Yep. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Is that not beautiful?
It was an expensive one, but it's one more than we had before.
That's right.
That's beautiful, dude. There they go.
Hey, right up front, Wade, right up front.
Kill it out front, kill it out front. Get the man on the water.
Here, I'll get it. Here you go. Back. It was a drake, otherwise I wouldn't have said anything. If it was a hen, I'd have let him work.
I'll take one in the hand.
That's right, that's right. Good boy. Good boy.
Beautiful. That one, that is gorgeous.
Yeah,
Wow.
beautiful mallard right there. That's what we call a Jaws effect when he hit the water. You know, that blood came up.
That was awesome, man. Good retrieve.
Load up.
All right, guys, so we're scratching them out little by little. We're battling some ice. Sometimes we're getting big sheets of ice come down, hitting the decoys, so we can't go as big on the spread just because of that and the current. The other thing we're waiting on is the sun, and it's starting to peek through. If it will peek through, they're gonna do it just right. Just like that last mallard that came in, it just came in just right. Something about the river, when you have the sunshine on them, you just can't beat it. So hope you guys are enjoying this. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and maybe we'll kill a few more. I mean, that's what it's all about. 2 CGA members out here hunting, crushing ducks. I mean, that's just so cool. I mean, that bird that Neil's on right now, there is 100% no question that without his dog, we would not be getting it. And that's a young dog too, only 2 years old. So it's, and we just got buzzed and surprised. Now Colin's about to pick up this other bird. There he goes, he's getting it. That's what it's all about, guys. Camaraderie, teamwork. Nice!
I gazed along, my eyes fell on a simple kind of truth. From what I could see, the scenery is best surrounding you. It's a love I can't explain. It's a love we can't explain. And what's the use? 'Cause we both knew. All the days just melt away through the echoes of the trees. Carved a heart in oak tree bark, our initials in between. Oh, I just can't look away. No, I just can't look away. Still can't believe that you fell for me. And tomorrow's light will still be thick as thieves. 'Cause you and I together in everything. This is where we belong. This is where we belong.